Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to join a voice chat channel on Discord when you're using your Xbox. So let's go ahead and jump the video right now. So if you're playing on your Xbox One or Xbox Series X, you can now join a Discord voice chat, and it's very easy to do. Now, first, go on over to your phone. Then you want to go ahead and get the Discord app and the Xbox app. So go to the Google Play Store or the iPhone Store and go ahead and download these. So this is what the Discord app would look like. Go ahead and install this and then go to the Xbox app as well. So let's type in Xbox, and here's the Xbox app. So I'm going to go to my home screen since I have both of those downloaded. Now go to Discord, and then go ahead and go to the main screen here and go to your profile in the bottom right side of the screen. Select that and go on down to connections. Now you want to add a connection. So let's go to add. Scroll on down to Xbox right here and then go to get started. And you're going to have to sign in with your Xbox Live profile here. So let's go to continue now. And then you'll need the email address and the password, but mine is already linked. Then scroll down to where it says authorize and continue and accept this. And go to continue here. Now it says Xbox mobile app. Now it's already checkmarked because I have this installed. So if you don't have this, it'll make you go ahead and install that before you can continue. So let's do that now. Go to done. And then let's go to done. Now let's go over to the Xbox app. Then what you want to do is simply sign into the Xbox app. So once we sign in with our Xbox Live account here, we can go back over to Discord. So here's YourSix, my Xbox gamer tag, and here's Discord. Now let's go back to a server. Now let's join a voice chat on Discord using my phone. So let's go to YourSixStudios, my server, and then scroll on down to one of the voice channels. So here is Xbox chat. Let's select this, and then go to join voice chat. So right here, and I'm now in a voice chat. And then scroll up from the bottom, and it says transfer to Xbox. Let's select this, and it will transfer us to the Xbox app. And here it is. So you can see my Xbox One is turned on, and I'm connected to the same internet here. Boom, I'm on the Wi-Fi. Now all I have to do is go to transfer voice. And once I do this, it's transferring the voice communications over to my Xbox. It says your console is now connected to Discord voice chat Xbox channel. Now let's go over to my Xbox, and this is what it looks like. It will look like just a normal party chat on here now. You have an overlay. You have some options right here for your mic. Definitely switch to game chat if you ever want to do that. Audio settings under here as well. And then we can disconnect. And here is my profile on Discord. As you can see by the profile, it's a little bit different than my Xbox Live gamer tag. It says YourSixStudios instead of YourSix. And I can mute myself under here. And then there's a little option right here we can go to. And you can change the overlay position and the transparency. You can disconnect at any point in time by simply selecting this. And it's very easy to get Discord. Now on the upper left side of the screen, it says Xbox channel under YourSixStudios server. So you can kind of tell what channel you're currently in on your Xbox. So that's kind of convenient. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. More tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.